How to fix Roblox error code 2. Problem fixed now. Go to your Play Store and new update. Check Roblox app. Now search option. Search Roblox app. Now click on update icon. Now go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Now go to your apps option. Now manage apps. Search Roblox apps. Now click on Roblox. Stronger. Clear all data and cache. Okay. Now apps permission and allow all permission. Now go to Roblox app and hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.